are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.